What's up, everybody? I'm hanging out today with my boy Sean the Cat. I've got 3 lawnmower blades that I'm going to use to show you when you should change those blades on your lawnmower. Remember, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate you. It really helps out our channel so that we can continue to do this. This first blade can definitely look deceiving. Your cutting edge, as it tapers off towards the tip, is really thin and can leave strips of grass uncut while cutting your grass. To sharpen this blade, you would want to get an even strip along the edge of the blade. But as you can see, as it tapers off towards the tip, to get that even strip of sharpened blade, you would have to cut the blade back quite a bit, which would only leave with a little bit of meat left on your blade. This blade does need to be replaced. This second blade is definitely deceiving. After looking at it closer, you can see that the sail of the blade is really worn. And what can happen is that can either break or tear and then go shooting out from underneath your deck. So this blade definitely should be replaced. This last blade is definitely not deceiving. If you have a blade that looks like this, there's really nothing else further to say other than it should be replaced.